Hey there, it's B with T Potter Instructional Design. Did you know that using ChatGPT to help you write detailed video scripts can be a great way to enhance your creativity and productivity? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively utilize ChatGPT for this purpose. Step 1. Define your objectives. Begin by clarifying your video's purpose, target audience, and desired outcomes. Determine whether you want to create an informative video for training, a promotional piece, a tutorial video, or something else. This will help you focus your conversation with ChatGPT and generate relevant ideas. Prepare a brief. Before starting your conversation with ChatGPT, create a brief that outlines key elements of your video script. Include details like the video's length, main character's setting, important details, and any specific requirements or constraints. Having a clear brief will provide a structure for your conversation and guide ChatGPT's responses. Step 3. Engage in a dialogue. Begin a conversation with ChatGPT by introducing the context and providing relevant information from your brief. For example, you could start with something like, "I'm writing a video script for onboarding CNAs at ABC Home Healthcare." ChatGPT will then respond based on the input it receives. Step 4. Ask specific questions. To get the most useful and targeted responses from ChatGPT, ask specific questions about the different aspects of your script. For instance, you might ask about dialogue suggestions or visual elements. Asking questions that require more than simple one-word answers encourages ChatGPT to generate detailed responses and creative ideas. Step 5. Check for clarity and refine. ChatGPT's responses will give you a starting point for your script, but they may not always be perfect or align exactly with your vision. Treat ChatGPT's suggestions as inspiration and iterate on them to refine and enhance the script. Step 6. Exercise creative control. Remember that ChatGPT is a tool to assist your creative process, but the final decision-making rests with you. Use your own judgment and expertise to evaluate the suggestions from ChatGPT. Combine the AI-generated ideas with your own creative input, and always consider the overall coherence, tone, and style of the script. Step 7. Proofread and edit. Once you have a draft of your video script, go through it carefully to check for coherence, grammar, spelling errors, and consistency. While ChatGPT can generate impressive content, it is still an AI language model and may produce occasional errors or inconsistencies that need human attention. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide will help you get started creating video scripts with ChatGPT. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit us at tpotterdesign.com for more.